Hello guys, today I will show you how to make this design in Canva. Follow my steps, let's get started. First you need to add the frame, then you need to increase the size of the middle. You need to go to the element and search for Rider Riding Motocross. Then you can choose any option from here. First, you need to fit your photo under the frame, and then you need to put the photo in the center. After that, you need to add another photo using an Elements. Double-click on your photo, and then click on BG Remove. In the effects, have to remove the background of the photo. Then you need to resize the photo slightly so that it fits perfectly. You should add the photo to the frame by pressing Ctrl, ensuring it aligns perfectly at 100% accuracy after adjusting the photo. Then you need to add a skin color in the Elements, duplicate it using the 3-bar menu, and then set it up in such a way that you can create this effect. This was the look of the photo, so tell us how you like this image. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell.